Newcastle friends, Dr. Butchie here with another story and a STEM challenge. At the end of this story, we are going to attempt to make a paper snowflake. And I'll show you how to do that with the handout that you picked up November 19th, I think, is a scheduled date. All right, this is a story called Snow by Marion Dane Bauer, illustrated by John Wallace. The winter world is cold. The trees are bare, the grass is brown. Gray clouds crawl across the sky. Clouds are crystals of ice. Each bit of ice clings to a speck of dust. The specks of ice and dust cling to one another. They grow so heavy that they drop from the cloud. Snow. When the air is very cold, the snowflakes stay small and bright. When the air is not so cold, the flakes grow soft and larger and larger. They grow big enough to catch on your mitten or on your tongue. Have you ever tried to do that? Catch a snowflake on your tongue? I have. Doesn't taste like a little water, a little drip. Each snowflake has 6 sides. They come twirling to the earth in a billion different shapes. Snow dresses the trees. Snow covers the grass. Snow keeps the flowers warm through the long winter. When spring comes, snow melts into puddles, into rivers, into lakes, and gives the earth a fresh, cool drink. But while winter is here, snow makes the cold world beautiful. And so much fun. So here's some facts about snow. The temperature has to be 32 degrees or colder for water to turn into ice. Every snowflake has 6 sides. Every snowflake can contain as many as 50 crystals of ice. Trillions and trillions of snowflakes fall in a single storm, but the flakes take many of different forms. People used to think it was impossible to find 2 alike, but a researcher named Nancy Knight once did find 2 snowflakes exactly alike. When strong winds drive heavy snow, we have a blizzard. Clouds can make snow even in summer, but because the summer air close to the earth is warm, the snow turns into rain by the time it reaches us. All right, and that was our story, Snow. Now, in your packet, you should have received 2 templates. It says Paper Snowflake, Template 2, and there was one a little bit more challenging, Paper Template number 4, Paper Snowflake. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you need a pair of scissors, and we're going to cut that square out. I'm going to do it with you. I mean, you could do it with a plain piece of paper if you fold it all up, but then sometimes if you don't fold it right, it falls apart. So I found some really neat templates. Some of them are very challenging. I actually did one that have butterflies at the end. I'll show it to you. Alright, now we're going to follow the directions. I cut out my square. Alright. Now the directions say fold diagonally in half to come up with a triangle. So see that very long line? We're just going to fold it in half. Right on that line. Okay, so we have that half. And then we have that half. And it says fold the left section towards the fold once more and have to get a smaller triangle. So we're going to do it one more time. Okay, we have one big triangle. Now we have a triangle that looks like this. And a triangle that looks like this. Now, fold the left section towards the back. So we're going to fold this towards the back. Then it's going to go right up against that line. Try to get it as close to there as you can. and fold it. And then it wants you to fold the other side too. So it looks just like this. Okay? That's what it looks like in the back. Fold it and fold it. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut out the dark gray pieces. So you take your scissors and you carefully, now if you need a grown-up's help, please don't hesitate to ask someone at home to help you. So I cut one of the gray pieces out. I'm going to cut the big gray piece out. It's going to get kind of tiny, so please be careful. Watch your fingers. I'm using a small pair of scissors like you all have. I like the smaller ones. They're easy to use, I think, sometimes. Okay, so we have that one out. I have two small gray pieces left. And I'm going to cut and cut and cut and cut. Okay? And I have something that looks kind of like that. Now what you're going to do with that is you're going to carefully unfold it. Okay. Okay, there was our half a triangle. Now watch, here's what our giant square would look like. And we have a snowflake. Okay, so that was paper snowflake template number 2. And you also have template number 4. And when you fold it, just like we folded that, follow the directions at the top. If you need help, ask a grown-up. And this is what that snowflake looks like. Okay, so have fun with it. Create some of your own. And if you do, share it in the scavenger hunt video that we have coming up when your teacher shares in your Google Classroom. Okay, till next time, hope you have fun. Be safe out there. See you soon.